button. Pause button. Stop button.
Hello guys,
In lock.
magandang araw dito sa Blind Gamer PH. So, panibagong araw at panibagong laro. So, hindi naman to bago. So, na-upload ko na to dati sa kabila. Sa luma nating channel o luma kong channel. So, ang lalaroin natin ngayon guys, yung Farm 3XB Accessible. So, hindi na lang ako mag-tutorial kasi may tutorial naman tayo sa isa nating channel. So pwede nyo ring i-search ang how to play Farm 3XB Accessible. So dito ngayon ay ano lang, tawag dito, para lang magkalaman yung channel natin. Magkalaman, so para maraming mapakinggan, so muli natin i-upload ang Farm 3XB Accessible. So magsisimula tayo sa ano tawag dito, yung sa simula. Magsisimula tayo sa ano bang term dito, yung panimula. Parang ganon. So ngayon simulan na natin ang ating laro para hindi na mahaba yung record natin.
Pause button. Button. Home button.
Okay.
Home screen. Screen 1 of 2.
So hanapin natin ang games.
Hit music. Labels.
Teka lang guys
Alt. Step. Chrome. Community. Contacts. Fazendinha. English stories. English. Tagalog. Ear.
So ito talaga yung games na hinintay ko guys, na kung kailan siya mga update kasi hindi ako makapasok. Hindi ko mapasok yung games na to.
Ear.
Itong Ear. So dinonload ko lang to. So ano pa, nung nakaraang linggo pa, siguro mga Webes or Bernis, basta ganun. So dahil mahilig tayo sa games, so pwede natin itong gawing extra content, no? I-screen lock muna natin. So ang mangyayari dito guys, so alam naman natin na maliit lang yung hindi maliit, konti lang yung games dito sa Android. So pwede tayong magkaroon ng ano lang, mga games na siguro pahabain natin yung mga part. So halimbawa dito sa Farm 3XB Accessible, so pwede natin pahabain ang part. So hindi part. Gameplay natin, halimbawa Farm 3XB Accessible Gameplay 1. So pwede natin abutin kung kailan siya halimbawa anong tawag dito, yung ano ba, yung siguro kung paano siya matapos. Parang ganon. Kasi dito sa games na to, so last tutorial natin about dito, so doon tayo na stop sa slot.
Home screen. Google Go. Home. Voice search button. Home. Gallup. Chrome. Folder. Google. 9 or more items. Overview button.
Check pa na natin yung record.
Quick step. Screenshot button. Clear all button. 2.3 GB. Recorder. Recording. 000435. Home button. Home screen. Google Go. Screen locked.
So doon tayo na stop sa about sa slot. So na open natin yung apat na slot. So doon tayo na stop sa 5. So dito naman sa gameplay natin, so hindi naman to pwede tawaging part kasi hindi naman to storyline. So ano lang, gameplay lang. Gameplay. So pwede natin to pahabain, no? Kasi alam naman natin na medyo ah, hindi marami yung games dito sa Android. So dahil Android user tayo, so hahanap talaga ako ng paraan, guys, na makapag-upload ako ng laro. So kahit ano lang, continuation. Halimbawa sa dito sa Farm 3XB, dahil bumabalik tayo sa part 1 o gameplay 1. So babalik talaga yung mga part na nawala o mga gameplay. So dito pwede natin lagyan ng commentary. So ganon, no? So kagaya sa Legend of the King, no, nalagyan natin siya ng istorya. Parang ganon. Dito naman pwede to. So siguro kung may sasabihin ako, dito ko na lang i-insert. So bago po tayo magsimula, no, kung may alam kayong mga laro o mga games, so pwede kayo mag-send ng link dito sa comment section. Kasi hindi lahat ng games ay alam ko. So about naman sa Farm 3XB Accessible, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi talaga kumpleto ang link sa description link. So mas maganda siyang pakinggan kasi link, about sa link, description link. Kasi yung dito dito sa description link ay mapuputol yung link. Hindi mo mababasa yung full version ng link. Full version talaga. So hindi ko na papatagalin pa itong gameplay natin. So ito yung gameplay 1 ng Farm 3XB Accessible. So yung to the Dragon Cave, so continuation. So hindi ko lang so yung to the Dragon Cave pala, no, i-upload ko rin yon. So ngayon dito muna tayo sa ating mga old games. Dito muna tayo sa ating old games. So marami pa kayong abangan kung marami ang lumalabas na games sa Android. So medyo tayo ngayon, medyo anong tawag dito, yung hindi talaga marami yung games sa Android, guys. So baka gawa nating gameplay yung mga natin.
Home Google search.
So gawin natin gameplay
Locked.
or extra content. Parang ganon, tawagin na natin extra content para ako'y makapagparamdam dito sa channel ito, sa Blind Gamer PH. So ngayon simulan na natin ang ating
41 p.m.
41 p.m. Ito pala yung oras natin, guys.
It
Quick
is
step.
1:41 p.m.
1:41 p.m. daw, sabi ng orasan.
Search open lens homes gap Chrome.
So simulan na natin ang ating gameplay. Tika lang.
Messenger. Maps. Love. GG. 8. Hot app. Hey. Gallery. Fantasy. Manager. Fazendinha.
So ito yung games.
Hot games. HQ internal audio recorder.
Teka lang.
Frequency missing. Fantasy. Skill manager. Fazendinda.
Okay, ito yung games. So, ano pa ba? Ulitin ko na lang, no? Kung may alam kayong laro. So, pwede kayong mag-comment sa akin. Or, di kaya, mag-send ng link. So, welcome kayo mag-send ng link. Dahil yung channel na yan ay about talaga sa Android games na pang blind. So, wag kayo magsisend ng link na game na pang sighted. So, pang blind lang talaga yung pwedeng isend dito sa ating
File manager. Fazendinda.
sa ating comment section. So, simulan na natin. Medyo napahaba yung intro natin, guys. Okay.
Zendinda.
Ito yung simula. Gameplay 1.
Language.
Okay. Ngayon, pipili tayo ng language dahil
AO idioma Portuguese language.
so dito, makikita yung mga language kung ano yung available na language. So, hindi pa naman to ng update. Hindi pa to ng update. So, ngayon, pipili tayo ng language dahil balik tayo sa unang kabanata. Unang kabanata.
Portuguese.
So, hanapin natin yung English.
Language. OKO idioma Portuguese language.
Teka lang. Saan ba yung English dito?
Portuguese. English. Espan. English.
Okay, dito na yung English. Double tap natin.
Selected.
Okay, selected.
Espanol. English.
So, dahil nakaselected na yung English na language.
Portuguese language. OK English language is selected.
So, okay natin. Itong
OK English language is selected.
okay natin.
Fazendinda.
Okay. So, ngayon, para na rin itong tutorial. Pero hindi ito tutorial. Isa lang itong gameplay. Saan na ba tayo? So, basahin natin yung instructions.
Talkback must be activated to play. Done. Button. The talkback must be activated to play. You can use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this shortcut the first time you turn on and configure your device.
So,
Button. Talkback must be activated to play. You can use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this shortcut the first time you turn on and configure your device.
so nakalagay dito, no, kung paano daw i-turn off yung talkback. Paano i-turn off. So, ito lang yung masasabi ko. So, pwede siguro to sa mga sighted, ano.
Name commands and gestures using talkback. Go to the next item on the screen. Right. Go back to the previous item on the screen. On the left. To confirm. Tap twice. To close the tutorial. Pull down with 2 fingers or click to go back.
So, kung i-close mo daw yung tutorial, kailangan mo daw ay, tama ba? Swipe down ba yun? So, swipe pa natin.
Done. Button. Double tap to continue.
So, done natin.
Fazendinda.
So, dahil nakadaan na tayo, ito yung makikita nyo dito, no?
Letter has arrived for you. Done. Button. A letter has arrived for you.
So, ito yung message.
Letter says the following. The letter says the following.
Okay?
Goiás, Brazil, 120. Goiás, Brazil, 128-2023.
So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung tinig ng eloquence kasi naka-bluetooth tayo. So, nasira na kasi yung connector ko. Kaya, mahirapan tayong basahin yung eloquence. Yung message pala. So, try pa tayo.
We are committed to providing a fun and engaging experience, regardless of the player's skills. Whether you are a casual gamer or a gaming expert, Alex's accessible farm has something for everyone. Let's start exploring this exciting farm together.
Okay. So,
Thank you, Aroldo, developer. Thank you, Aroldo, developer. button, double, thank, done, button, double
Done
click to
natin.
visit. Fazendinha.
Okay? So, para talaga itong tutorial, ano? So, swipe right pa tayo, no?
Tutorial dialog.
So, tutorial dialogue. So, ito ngayon, tutorial.
Hello, I'm Alex and Hello, I'm Alex and I'll teach you how to get started. You need to sell the products I left in the shop. To do this, find the store and sell the products.
So, ito ngayong mensahe ng ni Alex.
Mission in this game is to pay off the farm's debt. So your mission in this game is to pay off the farm's debt. So you have to work a lot. Good luck, farmer.
Okay.
The tutorial. Your exit tutorial. 2-finger pull down or click to go back.
So, para ma-exit mo yung tutorial, siguro mag-swipe down, ano tayo, 2 fingers. So, try natin.
Tutorial dialog. Exit tutorial. 2-finger pull.
Okay.
Have. 0. Farm description button.
So, dito na tayo sa loob ng farm.
Have. 0 coins.
So, may 0 coins tayo. 0 coins.
Farm description button.
So, try natin i-double tap ng farm description.
Description of the farm by part.
Okay.
Description of the farm by part. The whole farm is in pixel art. At the top is a clear blue sky with 5 clouds and a rainbow. On the right side are the gold coins obtained in the game. Below a wooden fence separating the sky from the green lawn. The first part there is a red. In the first part there is a red and white shop made of wood. In the center is the farmhouse with a brown picket fence at each divider. Below the shop on the left is a chicken coop with 2 chickens, 1 yellow and 1 white. On the other side 1 plantation with 3 beds planted with eggplant, tomato, and pumpkin and a scarecrow to protect the harvest. Below the duck pond, with 3 ducks inside and fish at the bottom. Further down, the corral with 2 white and brown cows, plus a white and gray one on the opposite side. Below the corral a dam with 3 fish each of a different color, yellow, red and green. And at the end of the farm is the hive with 2 bees, below the trophies won in the game and the farm's dead plate. And finally, a tribute to my dog and the options menu. Description of the whole farm is in pixel art. Description of the farm by part.
So, para mag-close natin to, so muna natin gagamitin yung swipe down 2 fingers.
As a dinner.
Okay. So, dahil na close natin yung farm description. Ngayon, muli natin makikita yung
Have 0 coins.
you have 0 coins.
Chick planting. Duck cattle. Eat my trophies. Lock. Purpose to pay the farm's debt in memory of tutorial. In memory of Pluto's 1/3/2023, even though my dog has passed away, his love and memory remain with me and all those who knew him. His white and brown paw will always be fondly remembered with nostalgia, and his loving spirit will always be an important part of those whom he touched during his life.
So, ito pala yung Pluto, guys, no?
View Pluto's.
So, pwede mo tong anong tawag dito, yung pwede mo siyang anong tawag dito, yung hindi ko alam. Basta pwede mo siyang ipalabas yung boses niya dito, yung double tap.
Love you Pluto's.
Love you Plutos daw. So,
tutorial and setup credit button.
so ito yung credits.
As a dinner.
So, dito na kalagay kung sino ang gumawa ng games, yung mga taong siguro parte ng games na ito. So, basahin natin.
3XP Games Brassel. Ready. Back to the farm. 3XP Games Brassel copyright. Initially founded as Alto Design Brassel, is a small Brazilian company. The company was founded and is maintained by Haroldo Teodoro, or better known as Arthur Felipe in Newgrounds. The company is characterized by the creation of online games, which predominantly use flash technology, being in activity since 2015. Haroldo Teodoro, Brazilian developer. Born in Goiás, currently 25 years old. It has already won 4 awards. With goals for 2023, there are 2 more awards. Follow Instagram for more news. The Instagram at Haroldo_Teodoro. My app helps even 1 person. It has already accomplished its mission. Back to the farm. If ready, back to the farm. Button.
So wala nakalagay, no? O sino po bang kasama ni ano ba to?
My app. Copy Instagram with Aroldo Teodoro. 3. Ready. Back to the 3. Aroldo Teodoro. Brazilian. Keep me. Top. Paint. Pair. Set. Word. Pair. Vertical map. Pair. Words. Aroldo Teodoro. Aroldo.
So wala nakalagay dito kung sino kasama ni Aroldo. Ni Aroldo.
Pair. Page. Copying mode. Media. PTS. Opera. Translate. Script. Default.
So
XD Games Brassel copyright. Initially ready. Back to the farm. Button.
So double tap natin ng back to the farm.
Fazendinha.
So ngayon, puntahan natin yung shop
Tutorial dialogue.
para
Oh, I'm Alex and I'll teach you how. Tutorial dialogue.
so close natin to, tutorial.
Farm description button.
Okay.
You have 0 coins.
So punta tayo sa shop.
Up. Here you can sell your products. You have 3 products.
So ito yung 3 products. So ito yung ibenta natin para
Fazendinha.
makapag-open ng anong tag dito, yung siguro pagtataniman natin, no? So ibenta natin to.
Have 0 coin. You have 3 tomatoes. Each tomato is worth 3 coins. Sell all tomatoes.
So double tap natin ang sale all tomatoes.
C. 9 coins.
You receive 9 coins. So ito yung gagamitan natin.
Back to the farm. Button.
So back to the farm.
Fazendinha. Tutorial. Great. Now that you have the necessary coins, it's time to unlock the planting to become a super farmer and get more coins.
Okay.
The tutorial. 2-finger. Exit tutorial. 2-finger pull down or click the
So exit.
have 9 coins. Farm description button. You have 9 coins.
So nandito pa tayo sa stage of tutorial. So swipe right pa tayo. So hanapin natin yung
Up. Here. Chicken coop. Get 8. Planting. Get 9 coins to unlock.
so planting, get 9 coins to unlock. So i-unlock natin tong planting para makapagtanim na tayo, no?
Lock planting.
Okay, unlock planting.
Pond. Get 200 coins. Planting. Become a super farmer.
Okay, double tap natin.
Fazendinha. Tutorial dialogue.
So kung kakasimula pa lang mo sa paglaro sa games na ito, palaging lumalabas yung tutorial dialogue, no? So nakalimutan ko na yung ibang ano dito. Siguro kapag ma-unlock mo tong chicken coop, lumalabas pa rin tong tutorial dialogue. So swipe natin para basahin yung tutorial.
Plant your first seed. Click on planting 1 to choose the seed. When you click on the seed, you have to wait a while until you ask for water, then sun. And lastly, you must harvest before the rainbow sheep eats.
Okay.
The tutorial. 2-finger pull down or click to go back. Have 0. Planting 1. You need 20. Planting 1. Plant a new seed.
So planting 1, plant a new seed. So dito tayo magsisimula sa free. So wala naman tayong pera dito. So yung iba dito guys, kailangan mo talaga ng pera para makapagtanim siyempre. So dahil ano tayo, first time magtatanim tayo ng free. Ito ngayong
Use a seed to grow. Carrots.
tika lang.
Tomatoes. Carrot seed 5.
So ito yung mga naibayad.
Plant seed 4. Pumpkin seed 3. Tomato. Choose a seed to grow.
So ito yung mga may bayad guys.
Tomato seed 0 coins.
So tomato.
Tomato seed 0 coins.
So ito yung walang bayad. So ngayon pag swipe natin, dito na yung mga may bayad na.
Pumpkin seed 3 coins. Pumpkin seed 3 coins. Eggplant seed 4 coins. Carrot seed 5 coins. Choose a seed to grow. Carrot seed 5 coins.
So ito lang yung may bayad. So ngayon simula tayo sa
Tomato seed 0 coins.
tomato seed 0
You planted a
coins.
tomato seed.
So nagpa-plant na siya guys. Nagpa-plant na siya.
In 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
So planting 1, it's time to water a seed. So para tayong na tutorial. Hanapin natin yung water.
Planting. You need six. You what? Sun. Back to the sun. Water bucket.
So water bucket.
Water bucket is selected.
So ito yung siguro balde to, balde. Kasi bucket. Water bucket. So yung makikita nyo dito,
back to planting. You need 20. You need 40 coins. You need 60 coins. Water bucket. You need 60 coins to unlock a new planting.
so dito yung makikita yung unit at 20 coins, 20 coins, unit at 20 coins, 40 coins, 60 coins. Ito yung mga sa last tutorial natin, dito tayo na-stop sa slot. Kasi nilipat ko lang yung mga games natin. So ano matawag dito? So nilipat ko lang yung mga games natin. And ngayon, nagsisimula tayo sa panibagong hindi panibago. Unang kabanata ng ating gameplay sa Farm 3XB Accessible. So dahil na-select na natin yung water,
Need 40. You need plant. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
kailangan natin siyang diligan para tayo ay makapag-harvest.
Planting 1. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
So hintay lang tayo.
Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
So you see, need sun. So hanapin na naman natin yung sun.
You need water. Sun. Back to the farm. Sun.
Sun.
Sun is selected. Back. You have planting 1. You planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So para ma-harvest to, i-double tap natin yung planting 1.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready. You had a good tomato crop.
You have a good tomato crop. So ibig sabihin na-harvest na siya.
Need 20 coin. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap. Use a seed to grow. Tomato seed 0 coins. Planted a tomato seed.
So dahil naka-Bluetooth tayo, so yung marinig nyo dito ay parang
In 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
yung manirig yung maririnig nyo dito sa eloquence ay hindi siya parang may anong tawag dito, yung kapag bumabasa siya ng yung sentence o di kaya option, parang may pagka-delay, parang ganon. So dahil naka-Bluetooth tayo, no? So kung connector gamit natin, so madali lang to, no? Hindi to delay kasi connector. So dahil naka-Bluetooth tayo and sira yung connector natin, medyo delay lang. So saan na ba tayo? Dito tayo sa water.
You need water. Sun. Water bucket. Water bucket is selected.
So ito na yung pangalawang tanim natin.
Back you have 0. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the planting 1. Your seed has been watered. So
siguro kailangan natin ng
in 1. Your seed needs sun.
Magtanim ng 5 ano tawag ito?
Planting 1. Your seed needs. You need 20 coins. Planting. You need water. Sun. Back to sun. Sun is selected. Back you have 0. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight.
Okay.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. Need 20 coins. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
So parang medyo mahaba na yung record siguro natin. So
back to sun. Back to the farm. Button.
Benta natin to.
Fazendinta. Have 0 coin. Shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 2 products.
Okay. 2
Fazendinta.
products.
You have. Back to the farm. Button. You have 2 tomatoes. Each tomato is worth 3 coins. Sell all tomatoes. Received 6 coins.
Okay.
Back to the farm. Button.
May 6 coins na tayo.
Fazendinha.
So para makapag-exit tayo dito sa game natin na farm 3x accessible, hanapin natin yung exit the game ba yun?
Quit game. Donation. Button. You can
Quit.
donate to future projects. Quit game. Button.
Quit game pala. Quit game. So duputan natin ang quit game.
App list.
Okay.
Quick step.
Okay.
Sissy. Clock. Overview button. Button. Screenshot button. Clear all. 2.3 G. Fazendinha. Recorder. Recording. 20 million. Tag but pause button. Tag 20,240,900. 003042. Being locked.
So medyo mahaba na yung record natin, no? So umabot na tayo ng 30 minutes sa kakasalita dito. About sa ating laro na siyempre game lang, gameplay 1. So may gameplay pa to. So kagaya nga na sinasabi ko, maliit lang yung hindi pala maliit, hindi marami yung games sa Android. So mag-anot lang tayo dito, mag extra content. So extra content lang, extra content. so yun lang, no? So kung hindi ka pa nagka-subscribe, so welcome ka dito na mag-subscribe sa ating simpleng channel. So kung bago ka pa lang at napadaan ka lang dito, malapit na tayo mag-ending, siyempre pwede ka mag-subscribe. At kung ikaw ay nakasubscribe na, pakihit mo din yung bell icon para palagi kang updated kung may bago tayong uploads na ganitong mga videos. Parang TTS. So kung may bago kang para palagi kang updated, i-hit mo na lang yung bell icon para mas wala lang, para updated. So yung games pala guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section para pwede kayong dumaan. Pwede kayong dumaan dito para makapag-download. So hanggang dito na lang siguro guys, no? Abangan nyo lang.
20,240,003251. 003254. Recording.
So abangan nyo lang yung next upload natin na about pa rin sa games.
Stop button.
So magandang araw sa inyong lahat.